sure everything's okay.
What is this, Rio? Do you know what this is? I'll show you. I'll show you. Do this so it doesn't move and surprise you. That would be bad. Okay, you want to play? Let's play. Hi.
You guys stick out of the way. This is Rio's lesson. Yeah. Come on.
Here, buddy. Go find it. Go find it. You go look. You go the other way. Let's go this way. Get that one. That one's easy. That's a free one. 2 free ones. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay.
Good job. You gotta go search for them.
Yeah.
The little treasure hunt. Can you go find it? Can you go find it? Yeah. Find it.
Shh, cute.
No, not this one in my hand. This one. Go find them. Ah, come here. Come here, Silly Willy. Come on. She was like, I could so get that. Come here. Cute, cute.
Are you